Not all the way around.
I'm trying to.
Okay, start over.
Hey.
That's good enough for me.
That's pretty good. That looks like a folded rose.
That wins. Alright, I'm waved.
No, you're not. You're gonna do it.
You're gonna make me make a rose.
You're gonna make a rose.
When you screw it back in there, you don't get to eat it even?
Yeah, you can eat it. You can eat
Oh,
it.
wait, get the cabs. This is gonna be on TV. Okay.
You don't have to put it back in there. You
She
can
didn't
just
even do
put it
it?
in here. Yes, she did.
Did she do it?
Yes, she did.
Alright, I'm only making 1/10 at this because I could care less.
You're gonna do it. I know it.
I'm not used to having to squeeze my own bag, if you know what I mean.
Only sometimes.
Never. I gotta make a cover.
You gotta put the fat side down. There you go.
That's what she said. Wait a minute, I got it. To aha.
Your little swirl. There you go. There you go. Oh, it's amazing. Looks like you're struggling a little bit. Is it hard to pull? Push.
Whoops.
Yay, Daddy! Just do a circle.
It's a type of flower, I guess.
Look, that's a white rose, baby. That is the white
Let me see it. Look
rose.
at it. It looks good. Not bad. As he eats it. Was it yummy? Ew. Alrighty. I'm happy. Yay. Yay. Happy face.
So that's all he wanted?
Yes, that's all I wanted. Okay.
Oh, that
See, it
was
wasn't
easy.
that hard. Bye. Later.